today we're going to build the note card flashlight circuit. So we are going to build a circuit using foil and some batteries to make a note card flashlight. So if you want to just grab a push pin and push holes into the two spots that are kind of marked, and then you're going to take your LED. The longer one is the positive side, and that's going to go on the right, and then the negative side is going to go on the left, and we're going to pop it through and push it all the way through so that it's kind of tight, and then take it to this side. And then if you just want to mark so that you know the positive and negative sides of that, we'll do it that way, and then fold them down. And then we're going to take some foil tape, and you might have to lift the wire up just a touch, and then just take it all the way to the top of your note card. And if you want to fold it over the top a little bit, you can do that too, and then fold the wire back down. And then you can take a little bit of a shorter piece on the left side, because we're going to leave a little bit of a space so that we can make a switch. Up here with a little bit of a space there. And then we're going to tape down the LEDs here with more foil tape. So every time the foil is going to be a conductor of the energy. Then we're going to take our batteries, and you're going to put them both positive side down, and we're going to tape them together with some more foil tape. And then we want to make sure they're touching, because that's important. And then roll that around. And then if you want to just take some Scotch tape and tape your batteries to the card, positive side down, positive here, or negative here, tape that down there. Then we're going to use our resistor. So what the resistor does is the resistor evens out the circuit a little bit so that it won't short out. So we're gonna, if you want to take a pen or a pencil and kind of roll it around so that you've got a little hook on it like that, that's how we'll tape it to it. And then we're going to take just a little bit of our aluminum foil. So you can't use the foil tape for this because the sticky side would be touching the battery, and we need the actual metal to be touching the battery. So take maybe a square like that size and fold it in four. We'll make a little pad to put over the top of it. Hold my resistor and kind of wrap it around the battery positive side there, and then put the foil over the top of it, and then tape that on there so that it's secure like that. Then we're going to take our resistor up so that we connect it to the rest of our negative side of our circuit, just like this. So everything gets connected, and then we need to put a little bit of foil up top to connect that part. So right here, I'm going to put just a little bit of Scotch tape to connect that, and then we can kind of fold it a little bit at an angle, and then take it down to our tape. And then I like to connect it with foil tape, but you can connect it with Scotch tape either. Whatever it is, you just have to make sure that the foil is touching the battery. And then we're going to take a rubber band and put it around the whole thing to kind of give it a little bit of pressure there. And then we'll take our paper clip that acts as our switch and see how it lights up there. And it's a little fussy. It'll flicker a little bit, and you can fuss with it a little bit, make sure everything's connected really well, and then you can take your switch on and off, and that's how you make a note card flashlight.